One appliance replacing your oven, air fryer, and dehydrator? Chef IQ MiniOven just did.
Ever felt like your kitchen is actively sabotaging you? Burnt toast, soggy fries, and that one air fryer that sounds like a jet engine? Sound familiar? You're not lazy, you're just exhausted from fighting outdated tools. Drop "stuck" in the comments if you're tired of appliances that work against you instead of for you.
Deadlines hit, kids are screaming, and you're still waiting 20 minutes for an oven to preheat? Like a hostage situation with garlic bread. Imagine if you could toss dinner in, walk away, and get a ping on your phone when it's perfectly crispy. That's not a fantasy. That's the quiet rebellion the Chef IQ MiniOven just started in kitchens everywhere. Meet the Chef IQ MiniOven, the 11-in-1 smart toaster oven air fryer combo that's basically cheating at cooking. Air-fried guilt-free wings that snap like Friday night, dehydrate mango slices that taste like summer, proof dough like a boulangerie, all while you're on the couch scrolling TikTok. Last week, Renata, a mom of 3, threw in a whole chicken, paired the iQsense probe, and walked away. 47 minutes later, juicy inside, crackly skin, zero babysitting. The app even sent her a perfection achieved notification while she helped with homework. Touchscreen so smooth it feels illegal, soft closed door that whispers instead of slams, and rack lights that literally tell you where to slide the tray. One pro chef said, "I mocked smart ovens until this one roasted potatoes better than my $4,000 range." Keep watching because I'm dropping the secret golden crisp fan speed trick at the end that'll ruin every other air fryer for you forever. Picture this: golden, ridiculously crispy fries with almost no oil, cookies that bake evenly edge to edge, reheated pizza that tastes like it just left the shop, no soggy center, no sadness. The Chef IQ MiniOven doesn't just cook, it performs. A tech reviewer said he preheated from the office and came home to perfect ribs. A healthy food blogger now makes kale chips her kids fight over. Over 8,500 five-star users can't shut up about how it replaced their toaster, air fryer, dehydrator, and full oven without breaking a sweat. One dad told me, "I used to burn toast. Now my teenagers think I'm Gordon Ramsay." The convection fan hits 3,200 revolutions per minute, 30% faster than regular air fryers, and the SmartTemp probe auto-adjusts time so you nail medium rare every single time. Which feature would save your sanity tomorrow? Remote start, guided recipes, or the dehydrate mode for homemade jerky? Comment your top one below. P.S. A famous food influencer just posted she threw out her $400 air fryer after 1 week with the MiniOven, and the comments are savage and hilarious. Limited stock is moving faster than air-fried wings at a Super Bowl party. Thousands have already ditched their cluttered counters and chaotic cooking nights. Don't be the one still waiting 25 minutes to reheat leftovers like it's 2012. Click now, grab the Chef IQ MiniOven, and unlock the secret Turbo Crisp preset that makes everything ridiculously addictive. Comment yes if you're ready to cook like the kitchen finally works for you. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your dinners tonight.